Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to use Instagram stories for marketing your business. So if you're using Instagram, or if you're using Instagram and looking at other business, the way they are using Instagram to promote the business, to reach out more audience and create more new audience for their product, or to sell the product to them, how basically you can do that, how to use the same strategies to create more of a flow towards your business page. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is you need to show your face on your product page more. If you're making tutorial kind of videos, if you're using videos such as speech kind of videos, or videos where you are showcasing your product yourself, then what you need to do is you need to show your own face, because people like to see other people. And now for that, what you need to do is you would obviously need to have a good lighting, you would need to have a good camera setup. So the way you're conveying the message, it needs to be clear, it needs to convey the message properly. So having a good setup, having a good camera, capturing that camera doesn't need to be a professional. Even a good smartphone camera is enough for conveying that message. And what you need to do is you simply need to record yourself, show your face, talk to the camera, talk to the audience, make them feel like they're connected. This way you can get more response on your videos, you can get more comments, and you can even get more DMs. Don't be afraid to post content, don't be afraid to post stories. So basically the feed is where you post content that are more polished, that are more like edited, that are more created. But the stories, that's different. The stories can be anything. The stories can be random pictures which are not too much edited. The stories can be random video of your dog. There can be random video of anything, and there you can hop on and create questions where people will interact, ask questions from you, where you can add pollings and stuff where people will interact with the stories. The stories doesn't need to be very well finished, very well edited. Stories can be anything, where the feed needs to be well edited and well polished. So that's why you can use story to stay in touch, uploading more stories frequently about your product regarding your sales and everything would encourage more people to go and visit your business. Now, the best option to create engagement is stickers. When you're posting a story, make sure to use stickers. These stickers can be questions, these can be polls, these can be quizzes, and via this you can create audience, make them interact with your product. And so with this you can use other stickers to create engagement for the audience, and once they feel engaged, once they feel they are part of your business or your page, then they're more likely to click on the page. Also, what you can do is you ask people to ask you questions or tell you something and stuff like this, and through this they can also interact, and through this you can also, with answering them, you can also post picture of your product, and this way they would know more about your product. Well, so that's how you can use Instagram stories to create more of sales on your business page. So that's pretty much from this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.